way up, and they go by Justin Ferguson. Water propelled jet that. Flight worked fairly new. And it's the first time this weekend they've been out. Focusing and doing everything else, right? Straight up, stay level, and play with it. And in a week goes back three. Spent quite a bit of time there. Last year. 93 consecutive days. There. He goes back to do more. 500 hours flight time on the flight board. And that is a lot. That's why he's been able to get up and do everything. Well, with that, he's staying behind it. Pretty good RPM, trying to keep everything pressurized enough. So, to get up, down, that direction, back in the water, and then focusing a little bit in the water, then up above, and moving this way and that way, getting comfortable.